Hello everybody, it's Dr. Katka here. I'm with Steve today. Hi Steve.
Hi Dr. K.
Steve has some amazing news for us and I'm so excited he wanted to share that with you. So Steve, tell me what happened for you?
Well, I'm a former smoker, smoked for over 40 years, been tobacco free for the last 10 years, but in 2017 I was diagnosed with emphysema.
And we have that here on a test. It's a CT scan from 2017 August showing emphysema.
Right. And just recently I had another chest x-ray and CT scan after having 10 IV sessions with hydrogen peroxide from Dr. K, and my lungs are emphysema free, completely clear.
Congratulations! That is such a good news.
Thank you very much. Yes.
I was so excited for Steve to share because what I see with patients when they come and we do the treatments, they feel so much better, but not every time we have this test to prove it. And literally we have a CT scan from 2021 in May, and it says there is no airspace disease on the CT scan, no pulmonary infiltrate on the x-ray. This is remarkable.
It is remarkable.
And you were told there's nothing you can do, right? What did the doctors tell you? This is something
they told me that just hope that it doesn't get worse.
That it doesn't get worse. They told you to do the CT every year to kind of make sure to check.
Right.
But it's kind of that wait and see approach that we see so often in medicine versus do something about it.
Right.
And all it took, you came here, it's about hour and a half treatment. We do need to, if you have done this in the past and nothing happened, the amount of treatment is important. And I'm so grateful you stuck with it, because after 10, there is no emphysema.
Yes,
oh my
indeed.
Goodness. And the beautiful thing about the hydrogen peroxide, it also helps overall well-being. So maybe you've experienced some of that, like easier to breathe or easier to navigate.
Yes.
But this is so huge. Like this should go into some kind of Guinness Book of Records. Seriously, I'm so happy for you. Thank you for
Well, I
sharing
credit
this.
you.
Oh, thank you. And then you came, and it takes commitment, you guys. It does take commitment.
It
And
does.
believing and trusting. But the fact that this is available, I feel needs to be shared. So thank you so much for sharing it.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.